Hello everyone, we are going to learn how to do object detection using a drone with OpenCV and Python. Yes, that's right, you can make drone not just fly but actually see and recognize objects in real time. Imagine your drone spotting a red ball, a chair or even your cat while flying around. Cool, right? Here's the idea. The drone has a camera and the live video feed is sent to a Python program running OpenCV. The program uses objects detection models like YOLO or MobileNet SSD to identify objects in each video frame. Then it can even make decisions based on what it sees. For example, follow a person, avoid obstacles or track moving objects. Step 1. Connect your drone to your laptop or Raspberry Pi via Wi-Fi. Step 2. Make sure the camera feed is accessible in Python using OpenCV's video capture function. Step 3. Load a pre-trained object detection model. YOLO is popular because it's fast and accurate. Coming to step 4. Process each video frames, resize if needed to speed up processing. Then pass it through the object detector. The detector will output bounding boxes, class labels and confidence scores for each detected object. Step 5. Draw rectangles and labels around detected objects using OpenCV's rectangle and put text functions. Now, let's make this interactive and fun. Imagine your drone sees a red ball, a rectangle appears around it on the video feed. You can program it to follow the ball or alert you, I found it. Move your hand quickly. Your drone can track it in real time almost like its own eyes. Why is this important? Drone object detection has applications in delivery, surveillance, agriculture, and even entertainment. You could have a drone detect fruits in an orchard, track moving cars, or make fun interactive games. Of course, challenges exist. Proper lighting, drone speed, and camera quality affect detection. High speed movement can make the object blurry. Optimizing the frame rate using smaller models and adding filtering can improve performance. So, to sum up, connect the drone, get the camera feed, load a fast object detection model, process frames in real time, and draw results. Suddenly, your drone is not just flying, it's thinking and seeing. And that's drone objects detection with OpenCV Python. Your drone can now spot, track, and interact with the world. And if you like this, don't just hover over that subscribe button and click it.